Hey YouTube, ID.4Kan here, and today we are going to look at the new update my car have received, which is update 2.1, auto ready, and as known as 0792. What did they do more is they update the car, yes. They changed my wheels from a winter set 19-inch hammers to 21-inch Narvik Somersets. And as last, I had a warranty issue with my LED matrix lamp, LED light, front lights, and that's done on the warranty, so that's great. So before we go further with the update, so let's check out the car, because the 21 inch are so much better. You know, they look better. They are great. You know, and the issue I had is right here. I had the chirp right here on the day of pickup, and they said they will just fix it when I will go for the update. So 4 months later, they are keeping their word, and done deal. Now let's go on. So check out the update. The first impressions of this update is actually good. Coming from 783, I had already all the things they said, like augmented reality HUD, CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, etc. So anything new in this update is literally bug fixes, and perhaps the smoothness, the fast quickness of the system, it's a bit better. So that's what's my important thing about this update. It's just so much quicker. Let's talk about the system. It's literally, if you are looking for the different versions, it's or between the versions, it feels the same actually. You know, it's not that different where you think, it's great. It's so much better say. But when you start the car with a cold start, let's say, it's quicker to start. It's really difficult to answer, but it's more snappy when you start it, so that's a plus. And beside that, Hello ID works so much better now. It takes commandos quicker, it understands better, and it reacts faster. So you don't get in a, that's a lie, it will get in a loop now and then, but it's just all around better, especially Hello ID. Close the sun blinds.
Please repeat.
Close the sun blinds.
Closing sun blind.
It's quicker. And with 783 or 2.0, it took sometimes so long. Hello ID. It's too dark.
Opening the sun blind.
Yes, you were opening. Hello ID. Open the sun blinds.
Opening the sun blind.
See? It works better. I didn't say stop the sun blinds, but it didn't open. But that's great. But is there anything new if you're coming from 2.0? Not really. I didn't really find new on the infotainment. But it feels like it's regenerating more, harder, stronger, better said. So I need to check that out. But beside that, yeah, it's an all-around better update. And it's okay. It's fine. It's literally fine. That's it. There's nothing new, actually. But if you're coming from the 564, 570, from the ID.3 to this version, you have a new car. You have a totally new car. So that's great. And yeah, the things I still irritate. And let me tell you that. What does irritate me, which could be easily fixed, when you're driving and you put it on R, and if you have dipped dipped mirror, if you don't put this manually on R, it's yeah, this doesn't work. So I close my car, I shut down my car, and I start my car again, and this R will be resetted after, yeah, whatever, 10 minutes, something like that. So if you're not reversing within 10 minutes, that thing is reset. Yeah, why? That's the negative part of not for being a digital knob instead manual knob, let's say, because the system looks, if it's on R, it's on R, use dipped mirror, but because it's digital, it's resets itself, so that's annoying. Second thing, I have a HUD, but it could show me so much more information, like the radio I'm playing, the music I'm playing, or the number or contact person which is calling me could show you on the HUD. Nothing like that. Or if it's not the HUD, the dash itself. So that's it. What's more, they could use, or at least do a better job with clustering the infotainment. With the 12-inch infotainment, you have so much space between the buttons, it could easily fit another one between. Like, you have here 2 fingers dead space, and if there are 2 fingers dead space, it could be so much better. And do you have anything more options? Like here, you have also huge as dead space. You can add 2 more buttons if you want, because there are some really interesting stuff you can add. Like, yeah, what you could use head-up display, steering heater, which could be handy, and maybe, yeah, going home or work, you know. You could use that to press it and you're done. I'm using Hello ID. It's easy, but some people like to press buttons. And that's actually the same for all of this. Another point I would say add is, if you're using a mode, don't switch. I don't need to be switched. Just show me just a small bar arrow on top of this window, and just say here's on Eco Sport, and be done with it and cycle through it. Because every time you're showing a new window, it just takes more time. It needs to regenerate the picture, and it takes just more time. So I don't know if this is the better options. But yeah, there's so many small things which could be done with this update, or at least with the infotainment. And yeah, I could add lots of things, small things, but yeah, I'm not sure if they like the direction I would like to go. So yeah, they're overpaid for designing this, and we need to wait. So yeah. Thanks for watching. That was my small 792 update. It's nothing special really. If you had already 783, It's currently auto ready. And yeah, let's check it out. What it brings, what it does bring to us in the future. So yeah. Later! Also, they added a new sticker to the car, which is privacy related. So in the future they will, I think, more privacy related stuff, which is on my sun visor right there. Now, let it focus, please focus. Is it close? Good, so there's the focus. And then I saw it, and what I'm going to do is literally pull it away. Shit. It feels nice. So, anyone wants a sticker?